Hey guys, so if your DJI Mini 3 is not connecting, the one thing that you can try to do, I just was looking for the solution on Reddit, is that make sure the firmware and everything is updated, it's on Wi-Fi, and that both the drone and battery are charged to at least 75%. So what you can also do if you have problems with like transferring, you can also turn off the cellular data. So this is another thing what you can try to do. And also what you can try to do is do this. So turn on drone first, then hold it for seconds on unsupervised, then pair it with your DJI RC. So yeah. That's pretty much it. I also like looking here.